tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Well, the biggest change we've seen is the wind. This is in the last 3 hours. We've gone from winds of about 15 miles per hour down to about 5 miles per hour widespread. And you'll also notice that Fremont and Big Rapids have gone completely calm. Now, sometimes when we see this, we do see fog develop. Tonight, that's not going to be the case. We have very dry air that's working its way down from Canada. And if we take a look at temperatures, you can see it's colder air too. So Fremont, Big Rapids in the 20s, Grand Rapids falling steadily down from the 30s. Soon we'll be joining them in the 20s. In fact, all of us are going to be bottoming out in the low to mid 20s tonight, cooler to the north. And here's why. If we look at temperatures across the region, you can see it's much colder just to the north. And again, we're pulling in this air. It's going to be a slow transition, a slow drag of this air down overnight tonight into tomorrow. And tomorrow we are going to have the coldest temperatures of the week. In fact, with that cold air over us, doesn't look like we're really going to climb out of the 30s. Most of us will get stuck at 39 for your high. Here's a look at satellite and radar. We've got two things going on here. The first is fairly obvious. You can see the swath of cloud cover, a little bit of snow embedded in it. Even though we do have this snow that's tracking towards us overnight tonight, it doesn't look like any of it is going to be falling to the ground. We have very dry air in place, but what we will see is this cloud cover move in tonight and then stick around for a portion of your Sunday. The other thing, which you can't really see all that clearly, is the fact that the cold front that rolled through today is now off to our east. And the reason why this is important is because now that it's starting to edge out of our area, we are starting to see those winds slacken. So that's why we are anticipating a lot lighter winds for tomorrow. So even though it is going to be technically cooler tomorrow, at least the winds will be a little bit nicer, easier to take. So the big thing that we have to watch is just this cloud cover beginning to stream in. It will be arriving overnight tonight, so we are clear at 7. By the time we get to midnight, we'll start to see the leading edge of this cloud cover. Should thicken up by the time we get to about 3 a.m. and then 7 a.m. out the door, you will see some filtered sunshine. And then as we continue on throughout the day, notice what happens. This starts to slide off to the south. So in general, we are going to see more cloudiness to the south than the north. This is what to expect for Grand Rapids tomorrow, a high of 39 degrees. We are going to be cooler along the lakeshore even tomorrow because our winds are once again going to be out of the west. And then they'll start to turn to the northeast. If we take a look at your 8-day forecast, you'll see all of that sunshine until about Tuesday. Then Tuesday night into Wednesday, we do have those shower chances. Looks like a decent shot of some widespread rain there. So not just a sprinkler or two, but it's looking like we could actually pick up a 1/4 of an inch of rain there. And then we've got one bright shining day of a 60-degree temperature for your high. After that, it's back to 40s like nothing ever happened. And then we stick around to that cooler weather until next weekend. So one day where we get to say, oh, this is nice. Put on the flip-flops at least.
Looking at that and thinking, yeah, Wednesday looks like a good day to take off. Then you see the little rain showers.
The rain showers, especially early in the afternoon, you might see a little bit of sunshine. But Wednesday is actually one of those days where I get the afternoon off. So I'm hoping to enjoy a little bit of it.
Well, we'll hope the rain goes away quick and brightens up the day for you. Thanks, Ellen.